आवाज आ रही है? Okay. So today we are just going to explore few tools of Adobe Animate, mostly for tracing your character. Okay, so few tools are there which you have to explore first. Like my approach is always abstractly use the tool, find out about itself, and then go for given projects. Right. So for example, from here this is your stage, and it is 100%. You can go here, and if you click fit in Windows, so you get this way you can look at your stage. So whatever you are doing, if it is within this white rectangle, it is going to be finally rendered or visible. You can say visible, and which is lying over here is going to crop out, or software will not consider over it, this one. Right. And other than this, since we are not animating anything, so what I am doing, I'm just clicking this and tearing it off so that I can get big space and bring it here, and same closing. So whenever I want, I can simply go here, because mostly I need to work on layers, not for animation. So when we are doing animation, probably we can use this menu full length, right? So I am in the layer one. Generally in layer you have to bring your reference, so give the name, so that whenever you're working, you know that where you're working, right? And simply you go to file and import to, either you go for stage or library. So better go for library. To ask, so I go to desktop. There's a simple character, that is Doraemon. Open it, go to library, click this image, middle mouse, bring it over here, right? And at the same time, just look at your this one, the layer system. Click property. So under color effects, you have to go find out alpha. Since you have to work this in layer, it should be transparent. Whatever comfortable to you, you have to fix that. Then property. From here, so you can move it from your left side mouse button. If you're keeping this double side arrow, you can stretch and squash. So this is the connected. If it is not connected, works individually. If it is connected, works like uniformly. So wherever you want, you can keep over here. Once you find it is okay to you, just lock it. Right. So today we are going to explore about shapes only. Uh, of course, layer also, which is going to be top layer, which layer going to be middle one, and so and so. So this is the one tool. When you keep your cursor, you can create new layers. So this is your new layer. Now you just explore rather than just without fear. I would say for initial class, just explore. If you click this pen tool, or shortcut is P. So these are this. There's no fill of the color since the line only. So line is there, and you can click here. You can pick whatever color you want, and you try to trace it out. So initially, I think few of you you know how to use pen tool. So even though I would say if they are expertise in, then explore it. If it not, then just simply go. Don't worry about this thing and other thing. Then press V and try to correct it. It's more about exploration. Right? Try to get the shape. And today I'm just focusing on the outline, not the exact. Uh, in coming classes will go for the filling with the same color. Uh, you have to pick the color and fill it. Right? So this is the one way. Another, create one layer, and again you can give phase 1 2 whatever you can recognize. Use other tool, that is this one, line tool, and make sure only one thing, that magnet is on, this magnet tool. So you can start where you are leaving. And don't just copy it the way I am doing. You can go randomly, what if I do from here and what if I do from here, right? Then press V. So if you move your cursor like this, so you have to find out where exactly it is going to be suitable for you. Like this way. So today you have to explore, I think four. One is pen tool, line tool, and then the given shape like rectangular or uh, oval or circle, you can say. This is the other way. So if you go to oval, which is very much near to this, press V, double click. Make sure always double click. With single click, so you can separate it from this. So if you want to move, then double click. And in layout, this layer system, these icons are there. If it is outlined, if I click, so I can see the outline in there. Then again, you have to modify. Right. So mostly, if you look at the head of this Doraemon character, it's all about oval shape or round shapes are there. So you have to explore today the tools only. And again, I'm saying don't simply copy, explore it. Explore means just try out. If I go small stroke, what would be happen? So you're, by doing mistakes, you can learn that what should you avoid while doing tracing a character. But if I go for a big stroke, what big strokes would create later on? And press V. So you have to answer yourself, what if I do like this way, what would be the problem? Then in coming classes, we'll try to resolve. Okay, if there are too many things, too many pieces, what would be the problem? It's going to, right? So today we have to simply explore few tools of tracing your character. When you are uh, good enough to trace, then we'll continue with tracing this. Once you trace the head, then you have to trace this white. Again, it is kind of oval or rectangular shape. There is a nose. Again, you can use this circular form, or eyes, and so and so. The only thing you have to maintain that in layer system should be separate. It should be separate in layer. So try out this tool today, explore it, right? So is there any question? First we have to do, you simply go, make sure you have this character or this kind of character in your system already. and import and zip file, and go to import to library. Library is there. If it is not visible, then go to Windows and you can check on checkout. Like I do like this, so I can switch to my service now, right? And you can from here you can drag it. First you have to do this, then again go to this one and timeline. So timeline is here. Layer system. First, very first of all should be your reference. Lock it so that it should not move here and there. Then layer 1, 2, 3, 4. Different things are there. So you can go for the blue one, then the white one, then the red one, and then the tongue, nose, eyes, and so on. So focus on head only today. And if once you have practiced this, slowly we'll go for complex character. And whenever you are feeling this, simply press V. If you keep your cursor, this is A, short form, or V. So V is you can manipulate, modify, and sometime by accident you can learn many things. Right? So today you have to explore like 3D itself. You have to explore a lot before coming to projects.